Similar to the March Android security update for Pixel and Nexus smartphones that Google announced last month, the company rolls out monthly security updates for Android smartphones. But a new report suggests that a Samsung smartphone has already received the April security patch. While Samsung is already seemingly pushing out the April security update on just one of its handsets, we can expect a wider rollout soon. As per a report by SamMobile, the Galaxy J3, 2017, is the first, and only, smartphone to have received the Android security patch for April. Samsung had launched the smartphone back in June last year. While the company launched two different variants in the US and in the European markets, the handset did not arrive in India. As of now, it remains unclear why Samsung chose this budget smartphone to roll out the April Android security update instead of some flagship model. Meanwhile, there is no clarity on what the April Android security patch brings, as there is no changelog available. These security patches are rolled out by Google every month, alongside official information on what that patch entails. This means we will get to know more about the changes and bug fixes when Google officially announces on its website. Notably, the update is currently available in only a few European countries like Luxembourg and the Netherlands, but it's likely to roll out to other regions in the coming days. You can download the update, when it is available, from Settings Software Update. Alternatively, there are ODA zip files that can be installed on devices with an unlocked bootloader. ODA zip files can also be side-loaded on top of the existing software version,